Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, flavorful Heineken brown stew oxtail, Jamaican style with a twist. Stay tuned. Alright, so here I have 4 pounds of oxtail. Alright, so you want to add some vinegar, just a little bit. Add your lemon, some fresh lemon. And then we're going to add some water. Give it a nice little rinse, rinse it off a little bit. Remove some of that meaty rawness from it. And then we're going to pour this water off real quick. Then we're going to rinse it off again. So you want to rinse it about 2 or 3 times, alright? Then you're going to remove the lemon. Just like that. Oops. Yeah. Alright guys, so now we're going to make our blended green seasoning. We're going to add some scallion, thyme and all that good stuff. So continue to watch the video, don't go nowhere. Yes guys, so you want to drop in the onion them. This is half onion. Gonna add some thyme, whole bunch of thyme to it. Scotch bonnet pepper, for that extra flavor, extra spice. We have some fresh ginger. We're gonna add in some garlic, about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. And by the way guys, all of my herbs right here, they're already previously washed. So we're gonna blend this up real quick. You understand? Yeah, so you just want to blend it for about 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, and you should be good. This is it. This is what it should look like. So now we're gonna pour this over the oxtail. Then we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Stay tuned. Yeah, so you're gonna add your blended seasoning, about half of the amount that we blended. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of crushed pimento seeds or pimento berries. Yeah. We're gonna add in a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. This is about 2 tablespoons of Sazon seasoning. And then we're gonna add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oxtail seasoning. Yeah, so now we're gonna add in a little bit of browning. Yeah. About 2 to 3 tablespoons, depending on how dark you want your meat to be. Alright? That's a personal choice. So we're gonna mix it in. Just like that. And we're gonna pressure our oxtail for about 45 to 50 minutes in the pressure cooker, just to tenderize the meat a little bit. And then we're gonna finish it off on the stove top and cook it down for about 15 to 20 more minutes. Yeah man. Yeah guys, so after you add your oxtail to the water, to the pressure cooker, you wanna add in about about 4 cups of water just to cover the oxtail a little bit. And then we're gonna close the lid, pressure it for 45 minutes. Alright, so this is about 3 cups of basmati rice. So we're just gonna rinse off some of that starch. Wash the rice a little bit. And then cook it up with some gungo peas. You see it? Yeah. So we're gonna make some oxtail, some Heineken oxtail with some rice and gungo. Yeah. See it? So now we're gonna drop it in the pot right now. Alright guys, so here we have some all-purpose seasoning and some salt. Let's go add that to the water. And remember the seasoning, the green seasoning that we made earlier, we're gonna add a little bit of that to this boiling water, Decent amount for that nice seasoning, natural seasoning flavor, Then we're gonna add in some coconut milk, Maggi coconut milk, Coconut milk powder. Add that in. And then we're gonna mix it up a little bit. And once that is fully dissolved, fully combined with the water and the liquid, then we're gonna add in our gungo peas. Yeah man, so the rice and peas, yeah, it's gonna pack with a bunch of flavor. That me I tell you. And you already know, quick and fast, canned gungo, you know. We don't have the real thing, the authentic thing right now, so we're gonna do it the natural way, the canned way, yeah. So let's add in that to the mixture. And once again, this is a gungo peas in seasoned coconut milk. So this have a little bit of coconut milk in it as well, but I wanted to add some more coconut milk to it, same way. Yeah man. So once it's come to a quick boil, we're gonna add in the rice and cook it down for about 20-25 minutes. Yeah man, or until it's fully cooked. Yeah. Yes guys, so add in the rice and all. Just like that. Real quick and fast type of thing, you know. No slow cooking, fast cooking with the pan today. Yeah man, so gungo peas and rice, it'll go on. So we just go and cook that down. As I said, continue to watch the video, don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. Yeah man, so after about 45 minutes guys, the oxtail is nice and tender, flavorful. I did a little taste test earlier behind the scenes, and let me tell you, trust me, this is nothing to play with right now. Yeah man, so right now we're gonna add some carrots, bell peppers, and some tomato. We're gonna drop it right inside the pot. You see me I say? Yeah, just like that. We're gonna add in some sugar. This is about a quarter cup of sugar, brown sugar. We're gonna mix it up real quick. Yeah man, make sure it's nicely combined. I'm gonna give you all a close-up look so you can see exactly what is going on in the pot. Yeah man, so see what going on in the pot so far? Yeah, the color of the oxtail is perfect, just the way I wanted it. You know, so can't complain. Right now the pot just start bubble. Yeah, just start to boil a little bit. Yeah man, so now we're gonna add in some more ingredients. Stay tuned. Yeah, so we're gonna add in some all-purpose seasoning. Just a little bit for that extra flavor, not much. About a teaspoon. Mix it up. Make sure the seasoning is nicely distributed, you know, all over the place. Yeah. So this is one of the other ingredients, you know, main ingredient. Besides the oxtail, we're gonna add some Heineken. Just like that. We're gonna add about a half bottle of Heineken. Stir it up. Just like that. And I'll tell you, if you've never tried this recipe before, you need to try it. And now we're gonna add some ketchup. Just like that. Mix it up. And we're just gonna cook this for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 more minutes, until the meat start to fall right off the bone. I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter bean. Just like that. Mix it in. Yeah. And I'm also gonna add some more of that green blended seasoning just to turn it up a notch. Turn it up a notch. Hold on there. Yeah man, so it's not a lot left in the container, so let's go pour the whole thing. Stir it up. As you can see right now, this packed with a bunch of flavors, you know. You don't have to taste it, just look through the camera. Look on the sauce. Oh my god. Look on the oxtail, watch it. Flavor tone, you know. Yeah man. So cook it down for 15 minutes and you should be good. Stay tuned. Ooh, I'm about to try the rice with the gravy, you know? It's bad. I'm gonna show you how tender the oxtail is, guys. Kind of hot still, but look. Falling off the bone. Super soft. Wow. Fully cooked, packed with a bunch of flavor, guys. Alright guys, so we're at the end of the video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.